Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a story, The King and the Jester. The Jester and the King. Once upon a time there was a king. The king was very skillful and humorous. In his court there were many jesters who amuse to everyone with their funny jokes. Among them, one jester was favorite to the king. The jester always told a joke to the king, and the king also liked the joke. Thus, he became a special person for the king. One day, the jester made a joke which displeased the king. So he became very rude. The joke spread all over the empire, and all laughed at the king. The king became too much angry that he sentenced him to death. The Jester became very afraid. He requested the king to give him another chance. So, being soft hearted, the king allowed him to choose the own way to die. The jester requested the king to avoid die, but the king did not agree. So at last the jester said, I want to die of old age. The king understood his cleverness, but he became happy. So he decided to free the jester and released from his punishment. Moral: intelligence is power. Okay, thank you for watching. Please stay with me and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.